Hey guys, it is Saturday, July 3rd, and I did my weigh-in today. Let's see how I did. Okay, well, as you can see, I had a slight gain. Not surprising, I ate out twice, once on Thursday and once yesterday. Even though I minded my business, I didn't overeat either time. It's still, when you eat out, you always have this sodium thing that goes on. So I was hoping for a little bit of a loss. I think I put my thing on. But, oh well, I'll catch it next week. So, I said yesterday in my video that come Monday I was going to toe the line 100%. No, I decided I'm not going to do that. I'm going to start today and be mindful of that tomorrow when I'm at the picnic, that I'm towing the line 100%, where I can still enjoy myself at the picnic but still stay on plan. And I know it can be done because I have done it before. We've had these gatherings every 4th of July, and I know at least 3 of them where I was perfect on plan. So I am actually going to take my food scale with me. Everybody in the family knows I'm a Weight Watcher, so it shouldn't bother anybody that I'm doing that. And I'm going to take my food scale with me and my measuring spoons and everything so that I know exactly what I'm getting. I just decided enough is enough. I had lost 93.8 pounds, and as you saw today, I'm down to 65 pounds. That's almost a 30-pound gain. And I just, I'm not going to do this anymore. So, anyway, right now I'm on my way over to get my car looked at, get the pressurized thing done on it, and then after that I'm going to go home, and I haven't eaten yet. I've just had my coffee, and I'm actually finishing up my second cup of coffee now, but I'm going to go eat because I have to go to the grocery store, and I don't want to go to the grocery store hungry, because that's when I get into trouble. And I've got to gas up my car. I want to do that today, because I have to drive up to Michigan tomorrow. And, I have enough gas to get to church and back tomorrow morning now, but I don't have enough gas to get to church and back and then up to Michigan and back. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do. And I'm just going to have eggs and toast today. I'm going to eat kind of light. I got to tell you what, that burger did me in last night. It's been, let me just say that tomorrow I should be a whole lot lighter. I don't do greasy burgers well anymore. I used to thrive on them, That used to be a standard for me, stopping at McDonald's and, getting a Big Mac. I mean, there were times when my eating was so out of control that not only would I get a Big Mac, but I would, get like a quarter pounder with it. And I remember days when I drove through Wendy's and I got a chicken sandwich and a double cheeseburger, and I would eat it all. I can't imagine doing that now. That one burger that I had at Frickers last night, boy, it's been tearing up my insides. So that's the big reason I don't eat a lot of red meat anymore, because my body just, you get to a certain age, your body just says, nope, we've had enough of this. You don't need it anymore. So, but anyway, I kind of want eggs and toast for breakfast this morning, so that's what I'm going to have. When I say breakfast, it's already 12:30, and I haven't eaten yet. I've been kind of taking my time getting going today, but I'm going to eat before I go to the store, and mostly what I'm picking up at the store is just stuff for tomorrow, to prepare for tomorrow, and I'm going to get a lot of that done, and I'm probably going to have a little bit of that black bean salad today, because, number one, I like it. Oh, gas is down here. I think I'll get my gas here. And of course I'm behind a truck. I don't really complain about semi-truck drivers because my son is one, and I have other friends that are truck drivers, so I know that they're doing a good thing for the country. Oh, I got a notification that my water cup that I ordered is out for delivery. So once I get it, I'll show it to you, and I'll put a link down. Actually, in this video, I'll show it to you later, and I'll put a link into it down below. I'm going to add it to my Amazon store. So if you want it, if you could, you know, click on the link and order it through my Amazon store, that'd help me out a little bit. Let's just hope my car doesn't need anything major. My son's afraid it's the head gasket. Now, when I refinanced my car, if any of you know anything about this, let me know. I got the protection plan on the car up to 165,000 miles. So I've got about 40,000 miles left on it, on that thing, which, you know, I'm going to be driving that far. But it's a protection plan that if anything happens, you know, they're going to pay most of it. But I don't think it kicks in until September 1st because that's when my loan is due. Anyway, by refinancing my loan, I saved almost $600 just in the next 2 months, in this month and next month. So I'm really thrilled about that, and that's money I'm going to use to pay down another debt. So I have that big debt for the dentist that I'm trying to pay off, and I want to get that paid off by the end of the year, if I can, because I'm trying to save for a wedding too. And I'm on a real fixed income right now. Unemployment ended. I made the decision not to go back to work. So I am officially totally retired. So I'm just living on my small pension and my Social Security now, which, you know, they take 2/3 of my Social Security because of my teacher pension. That's a whole nother video. But anyway, so I'm watching every penny. I mean, I usually do anyway, but I'm watching it real close now. And I'm transferring all my accounts over to the credit union where I got the loan for my, to refinance. You know, the bank I'm with, Chase Bank, wouldn't even talk to me about refinancing. And I had inquired about a credit card. They wouldn't even talk to me. This bank, this credit union, it's a local community credit union, refinanced my cars. You know, my loan was at 22%, and I'm at 5.5% now. And plus they gave me a credit card, not a secured card, just a regular credit card that I can use to help build up my credit score, which isn't bad anymore. It was in the toilet, but you know, it's just not bad anymore. But I want it up higher because eventually I want to trade this in for a newer car. Anyway, I don't know how I got onto that subject, but anyway, I was real happy after I left the credit union the other day. And I do have another credit union that I'm affiliated with. I'm transferring all my stuff over to this new one because another one, it's closer to me, and I just get the vibe that they are really wanting to work with community members a lot better, and, you know, help them through this crap that's going on. So anyway, let me stop here now, and I'm going to show you my food for the day. Of course, you're not going to see my coffee in the picture. I'm finishing it up now. 1 point in my coffee today with 50 milliliters of fat-free half and half. And I don't know if I told you or not, I add 10 grams of Orgain collagen peptides to my coffee in the morning. It doesn't add points. It adds about 70, well, not 70. I think it adds about 40 calories. But 0 points. But I add the peptide, the collagen peptides, because it helps my nail growth and my hair health, you know. And, you know, it's supposed to help your joints too. So I add it, and it doesn't, you can't taste it, so. But I've been adding that for a while, and I have just neglected to tell you that. So anyway, like I said, I'm over here now to where I need to be to get my car tested. This is a friend of my son's. Actually, he's a former next door neighbor of ours that has a mechanic shop. So, all right, let me show you my food for the day, and then I'll be back to wrap things up. Well, for breakfast this morning, I decided to have 2 of the Smart Cakes. This is the lemon. They're 1 point each, so 2 for 2. And I had 1 point in my coffee, so 3 point breakfast today. Okay, for lunch today, I'm just having an egg sandwich. This is 1 egg and 2 egg whites. I have it inside of one of the Smart buns with the sesame on it. 1 point for that bun, 0 points for the eggs. I have a slice of the Kraft 2% milk American cheese on there for 2 points, and 29 grams of avocado for 2 points. Of course, my banana and strawberries, 0 points, and just having water. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's my other point coming from? Oh, 2 points for avocado, 2 points for the cheese, 1 for the bun. So that's 5 points. So this takes me up, I think, to 8 points. Yep, I've used 8 points today for lunch and breakfast. Well, it's really late at night when I'm getting around to getting this video up, so I know you aren't going to see this, or most of you anyway won't be seeing this until Sunday at some point. Went to the fireworks tonight with my sister and my nieces and nephews, and I ate there. I put in my tracker what I ate at the fireworks, and it took me up over my daily points. So let's see, what did I do yesterday? I had a total of 37 points. I had a couple of hot dogs and the regular buns and some kettle corn, and that took my points up. So I dipped into my weeklies. I did change my weigh-in day to Saturday, and I'm going to keep it there for a while anyway. So my points actually had reset today. And so I still have 21 weeklies left. If you are new to Weight Watchers, you get so many extra points to play with during the week, and that's what I'm talking about when I'm talking about weeklies. So anyway, I'm okay with that. On my Fitbit, I have to tell you though, I walked 7 floors today because I went grocery shopping, and so I was up and down the steps carrying groceries up, and I still have something down there I didn't bring up yet. 2.59 miles I got in today. I burned 2,228 calories. I had 69 zone minutes. I'm still not real sure what the zone minutes mean on the Fitbit, but it says I have 67 fat burning minutes, and 2 minutes of cardio and peak. So I like the fat burn minutes. I really do. After the fireworks, I came home and I made my black bean and corn salad that I'm taking, which has 0 points. For the blue plan, it's just black beans, a little bit of onion, some green pepper, tomatoes, some corn, a little bit of cilantro, and some lime juice. So it's all 0 points. And then I also made a fruit salad, which has some watermelon, some cantaloupe, blueberries, and strawberries in it. I was going to put some banana and pineapple in it. I decided not to. And I didn't use all of the fruit that for the salad, I didn't use all the fruit that I bought, so I have fruit to get me through the week. My cup came today, my water cup. Now, I don't know if you remember this. For those of you that have been around Weight Watchers for a while, Weight Watchers used to sell cups like this. And I had one at once upon a time. But I just got this off of Amazon. I searched for a cup that has the measures in it, a big drinking cup. So I'm not sure how well you can see it, but it has the ounces on here, and that's what I was at. So you can see I still have, oh, I'm here right now. It was full. I filled this up when I got back from the fireworks. So this is what I wanted since I bought the water filter. And somebody asked me about the water filter. I just bought a pure water filter. It's an 18 cup that I just keep in my refrigerator. PUR is how it's spelled. And I put the tap water in there, and then there's a filter in there that filters the water out. It's pretty good. I mean, I don't taste the water. I think it tastes better than what the bottled water does. So I did that to help the environment because if you're on Weight Watchers, you drink tons of water. But I wanted to be able to measure accurately. You know, I have all kinds of mason jars I could probably measure in, but this just made more sense to me. So, uh, what does this say? Your body needs at least 64 ounces of water a day, which is 2 of these things. That's the minimum your body needs every day. Drinking more water is much better than drinking less. Because our bodies are more than 60% water, we lose body water every time we exhale, breathe, or perspire. I don't really perspire. I try to think of it as little drops of rainbows. Water helps regulate body temperature. It transports nutrients, cushions joints, protects organs and tissues, helps food digestion, rids the body of waste, relieves constipation, and is essential for weight maintenance, weight loss, and longer life. So there you have it, people. Drink your water. Anita Johnson over at Chit Chat Paddywhack always says, "Got your water? Got your water?" So anyway, that came today. And my smart buns and my smart cakes came today. And as you saw, I already dipped into them. Those smart buns are pretty darn good. For some reason, I was thinking I didn't care for them the last time I had them. They're gluten-free, and they also, they're thick. I mean, they're dense. So it, at least held the egg sandwich up pretty darn well that I had today. So I'm going to test it out with my turkey burger tomorrow at the picnic. So anyway, all in all, it was a good day, even though I went over points, and I did have a slight gain. I'm not too concerned about that slight gain. I know that this week I'm going to get it off. People, I'm back 100%. I'm tracking everything that goes in my mouth. And some days I'll go over points, some days I won't. But my goal is to stay at my allotted 23 points or less. So that's going to do it for me. I have a big day tomorrow, or a busy day tomorrow. Anyway, I'm getting up for church in the morning, and then I'm going to come home and I'm going to make some of my homemade potato chips to take with me up to the picnic, because I know there's going to be chips and Doritos and stuff up there, and I want something similar that's going to be a healthier option. So I picked up a couple of potatoes, and I'm just going to bake some in my oven tomorrow. I was going to do it when I got home from the fireworks, but it's late and I'm tired and I want to go to bed. So anyway, you guys have a great night, and I am going to try my darndest to at least record a few things tomorrow at the picnic. It's really helping me to get back on track, showing you everything I'm eating again. I thought I didn't have to, but I guess I do. So, okay, guys, have a great night. Have a great 4th of July. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.